Let's see how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheet. So we can create a drop-down list in two different methods. Let's see. Open the Google Sheet and select data and data validation. Here on the criteria, either you can select list from a range or list of items. First, let's see how the list from a range works. Select this and select a range. For this, there should be some data for the drop-down list on the Google Sheet. Select the range, OK, and click Save. And it will create the drop-down list according to this range. And you can copy this to anywhere and it will work. You can drag this for all the rows and make changes here. Let's see the second method. For that, go to data, data validation, list of items. Here you can enter the items manually. Let me enter some items. Enter all the items separated by a comma and click on the save button. Here you see you can select any of the item from the list. Now if you want to make copies, you can just drag it and change the data here. Subscribe to the channel. Also you can select all of the drop down lists here and copy and paste anywhere you want. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.